सर ये हमने अभी एक मोर प्रॉपर्टी विज़िट किया है। हम प्रॉपर्टी सही है, दुकान कारपेट एरिया सभी सही है, बट इट्स अ वेरी कंजेस्टेड स्ट्रीट। It's a very congested street, like residential bike parking is here, and when moment is very critical of this lane, and this is the property. There is a big problem, asset moment and DG space. DG space, if owner is provide us to terrace, there is a lifting problem. There is lot of wire. Crane shifting is not possible, and there is not a space for air washer also. And air washer will make inside, but there is residential area, and there is no exhaust fan space is only this side and front side, and there is only 2 feet, and other properties here. And front side there is no space for earthing space, and drain line is going on this lane in front side. Lane chamber is here, and this is the property, and this is the very critical for beam bottom only coming 7.6 and somewhere 8 feet and somewhere 9 feet and somewhere 15 feet. This is coming 8.66 inches, and this is coming only 6 feet only, and this will be demolished. Owner is ready to demolish, but there is a structure, concrete structure. Project team tell us it's not possible to break because it's a load bearing structure, and this one only coming 7.10 inch this, and we need to this wall also demolish, and this one coming 7 feet. This wall is coming 7 feet in back side, and this will be also demolished by owner end, but it's not possible because if we see the other side, there is a full load bearing delta structure, or is not possible. And another thing is 2 drain line is passing under our premises. Sorry, 3 drain line. See, it's not possible. If Bal says we can't do anything on these premises. There is lot of issue. If owner is ready to demolish this wall also, but there is a big drain line inside our shop, and this is a load bearing structure. They can't demolish this one, and this one is coming only 8.6 inch. Oh, sorry, 8 feet. No, 7.6 inch only. 7.6 inch. This one. Thank you.